In today's episode, I'm gonna take you along with me to Mari Mari Cultural Village located in Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. This was actually recorded back in September 4th, 2024, but I never got to share it with you as I was quite behind on editing. It was so interesting to watch this now after visiting Nagaland as I could find so many similarities between the tribal cultures. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode.
So welcome to Mari Mari. Mari Mari means in English, come over. So whenever I say Mari Mari, you need to follow me.
Okay.
Yeah, so you won't get lost. Because this place is, what is it called? Big?
Yeah.
No. Many people and many places. Okay. In Mari Mari, they have 5 houses that represent 5 tribes.
Wow, we're in the jungle.
So as you can see, this is the ingredients. There is ginger, potato, onion, lemongrass, chili, salt and chicken. They mix all this together and then they will put inside there. And after that, they will cook around 15 to 30 minutes.
Is potato?
Yeah, potato.
Yeah, like chili,
Yeah,
lemongrass.
very chili.
Thank you.
She wants to.
How is it? Good?
Just a little more
Yeah.
flavor.
This is the rice wine. What we call here is montopu. Montopu actually is using the process of the distillation. They cook the rice wine inside here and then they will put a pot here and then they will add some water. The heat they will generate into liquid. Yeah. And then the liquid they will slowly direct here. So the alcohol percentage is high, 40%.
Oh.
Yeah.
I kind of drink.
So for one glass is 10%.
10%.
Yeah, for
Oh,
one glass is 10%.
10%.
Alcohol percentage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This one is a bit tasteless. Oh, you can try.
Oh yeah, there's like a little sip. Oh,
You want to try?
it's very weak.
I'm okay.
Yeah, it's just like water with like a hint of alcohol. So we're at the first house of Dusun. This is where they store rice to protect against insects and birds and animals, and that's where they would hang a head as a warning to prevent any thieves from stealing. So a little crib.
This is the grandparents' room.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. This looks like the pantry. It is so cute. Wow, what is this?
The bottom here is where we cook water and food. At the center here is where we heat up the leftover food. And up here is where we put the wet wood they get from the
Oh,
forest.
to dry, right? Okay. Oh, wow.
They will mix the tobacco and sugar together here and then they will crush it. So they will make a yeast. And after that, they will make half-cooked rice here and then this powder they will mix together with the rice. And after that, they will put inside this jar. After 2 or 3 months, you can drink. You can try?
It's like pink. This is only 5%, you said?
Yeah, 5% only.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, this one is good.
It's actually really good.
That tastes nice.
It tastes more alcohol-y than the other one.
You want to have more?
Yeah.
You can have more.
Out of my tea.
Backing up the girls.
That is delicious. It's like a little bit spicy too.
Yeah, because they have the tobacco and sugar.
Oh.
So this is for the sweetness, this is for the spiciness.
Ah, okay. Am I gonna start wanting to smoke now? I need it. Oh, you what? How'd you know how to play it right away?
And then they will place it here, scrub it using bamboo stick. So they will scrub it okay? Until I make a smoke. And after that, they will take it off and then they will blow it until it make fire.
So how they play it, you need to hit in the middle of this. The button in the middle. But I don't know how to play it. I'm so sorry.
Whoa. Wow.
So that is so this is mostly done by the woman long time ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
If they wanted to get married, the final test is to how to make a fire.
Really?
And if the girl cannot make the fire, means she will not get married. Yeah.
What happens if a girl can't get married?
She will be single forever. Yeah. So this is the traditional way. And you can try. Okay. So the taste is sweet sour. Yeah, you can try.
Oh my god, this is delicious. It's like honey.
Yeah, it's honey.
It's so good. It's very floral.
This is the cemetery we put
Like
dead
ashes?
people inside.
Ash, like you
No,
burn.
no, no. They don't burn. They fold the dead body.
What? Fold?
Yeah, but yeah. Let me explain.
Look at me.
first.
I'm a little bit now.
Yeah. So when a family member or a warrior pass away, firstly they will create a bigger jar than this. Yeah. So the jar they will cut into half, and then the body they will position like this
Oh, okay.
to fit into the jar. And then they'll put, and then after that they will glue it back. They will tie between these three up high, and after 1 year they'll put it down, and then they will replace it with the smaller jar like this. The body has turned into skeleton. The head they'll keep inside the house.
Oh.
Yeah, rest of the body they will put inside.
Why?
And they keep this forever?
Yeah, they will keep it forever
Why do they keep the head in the house?
because they believe human's head scare away all the bad spirits.
Okay.
Only the rich people can afford this.
Oh.
High class people.
Wow.
And for the poor people, usually they will bury it underground. Yeah, and then they will make a sign. They will punch it using this to make it thinner. And after that, scrub it, okay, to remove the outer layer, to remove the latex. After they do this, they will dry up under the sun, and then the final result is like that.
Oh, wow. Just like fiber intertwined together.
We only take 1 week to do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huijala.
So this is the kuijala. So kuijala is made from rice flour and sugar.
Okay.
And then they will mix it a little bit of water here, and then like this.
Oh. It reminds me of, I think, jalebi in India. It's similar.
Oh.
But it's thicker, a lot thicker. And then I think, yeah, it's like very sugary. Maybe it tastes similar.
Okay, you can try.
Try
You
this
can
one.
have one.
Actually, very similar to Korean snack.
Oh,
It's good. I like it.
it's like a ramyun.
Yeah, like ramen.
Yeah.
Ramen tang. You cook the leaves?
They cut the leaves.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then like boil it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they will cook it like 15 minutes.
Mm.
Pandan juice is good for reduce insomnia,
Oh.
and it's great to reduce air.
Oh, I love it. Air?
Yeah, yeah. The air inside your body is like what is it?
Gas.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Like a
That makes a lot more sense.
yeah.
Gas,
yeah.
okay.
Um,
We're all gonna be gas
Gas
together.
sleeping.
I'm so sorry
Yeah,
for
my
my
sister.
bad English.
Oh, no.
Don't apologize. You're fine. This is delicious. I love ginger.
And then they will scoop, and then they will make a
coconut
shape like a circle, like this one.
Ah.
Yeah. You can buy at the local market in Kota Kinabalu. Okay, you can try. Okay, you can take many as you want.
Oh, you were doing it for the.
Some people they think he can destroy their family. He's
Like crayfish or
yeah,
crayfish. Yeah, right. It's big. Can I touch it?
Sure. It's the shell, not the
Oh, okay. Wow. And what do they use it for something?
Actually, this is for decoration.
Oh, okay.
So the baja, they have many decoration for their marriage. So when the family have many decoration like this, which means this family is rich.
Do they only put this up when someone gets married?
Yes.
Can you play?
No. You can play.
Try. Give us your best shot. Yes. We're going to the last house. I am the leader of this group for some reason. He's gonna be asking
So
questions.
wait here.
And we have to show our hands to show that we're not holding any weapons. But he said I could record, so I'm nervous. Oh my! I'm nervous. Oh my!
Okay, hold your hands one.
This
This hand.
Oh, it has to be the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dari mana nih?
Where you come from?
Canada.
Entah, ini siapa yang ke bawah nih?
Who are the people you bring? Your friends?
Friends, yes.
Oh. Kamu ada bawa senjata tajam kau masuk kampung kami?
Okay. Do you have any weapons?
No.
Oh, bagus. Siapa nama kau?
Okay. What is your name?
Jasmin.
Nama si Akara, anak ketua kampung di sini.
Okay. His name is Kara, the son of the chief of this house.
Nice to meet you.
Harap kamu dapat belajar kami punya budaya di sini. Setelah kamu masuk kan saya mata.
I hope you can learn from our culture here. Okay. I will let
Thank
you in.
you.
Kan sayong matun means welcome. Okay. Mari.
That scared the shit out of me.
So leader, you need to hit this gong 3 times.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. This is our last house, which is the Murut long house. So Murut is the third largest ethnic group in Sabah, and they are known as the headhunter, the fierce and mean headhunter. When they see another tribe, they try to kill, like Lundaye one. When they see a Lundaye, they try to kill all. If the Lundaye warrior defeated the Murut, they immediately invade Lundaye village.
Whoa. I don't think I jumped on time.